Welcome back. In this video, we want to talk about the tools that we are going to need in order to create courses with Udemy. And because the content you're going to be creating for Udemy isn't much different from any other digital content that you're going to be creating, you are going to need all of the basics that you would normally need in order to create effective digital content. For example, you will need a way to create and edit video. One of the most prominent applications for information marketers is TechSmith, and you can find that at techsmith.com, and you'll want to look for Camtasia Studio. Now, there used to be a 30-day trial for Camtasia Studio. There is no longer. You can purchase it from the TechSmith page for $199 at the recording of this video. A less expensive alternative is Screencast-O-Matic. Now, Screencast-O-Matic is $18 and comes with a video editor for $18 also. And like Camtasia, it has a version for both Windows and the Mac. Now, unless you can work in a soundproof environment, you will need some kind of noise-canceling headset or microphone. You can typically get those from any electronics retailer. Now, for the sake of this video, we are going to show you items like the ones that you'll be purchasing from Amazon. Of course, you do not have to use Amazon to find these items. If you were demonstrating on video, you may want to use something other than a headset. If that's the case, you can also pick up a microphone that fits into a USB port. One of the other tools that will make it very easy for you to be able to record in high definition, as well as to be able to effectively navigate your content and your script, will be a second and or third monitor to go with your desktop or laptop computer. Now, if you intend to record yourself on camera, you'll need a sharp webcam that will record in HD video. Preferably, you'll want to record in 1080p. If that's the case, you can pick up an external webcam or one connected with your laptop computer or your desktop computer, as long as it records in the right resolution, which is 1080p. Another tool that will make the task of creating your course easy will be to use some kind of presentation software. In many cases, you can find an available copy of Microsoft PowerPoint through the Microsoft Office system, or you can use the Google Docs system also. And finally, a lot will depend on whether or not you want to appear live in your course, or whether or not you want to narrate through a presentation software. If that's the case, you are going to want to use some kind of video recording software that is flexible enough not only to edit the video that you have, but also to allow you to create and edit your presentation videos. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.